The best coffee grinder for the French press needs to produce consistent grounds at the coarser end of the grind spectrum. And I would argue that it should do this for a reasonable price since French press is such an inexpensive brewer. So in this video we will discuss 5 best French press coffee grinder. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. Breville Smart Coffee Bean Grinder. Breville is well known for making easy-to-use appliances that deliver professional caliber results. The Breville Smart Grinder is our pick for the best coffee grinder for the French press, and it's one of our favorite Burr grinders overall. Let's dig into why. The 40mm conical steel burrs are pretty standard, but where this coffee grinder stands out is its impressive user interface and programmability. True to its name, this is a smart grinder. Use the large LCD screen to select a grind setting and program a dose, either number of cups, espresso shots, or a set time, precise to 0.2 seconds. The smart grinder has 60 grind settings, suitable for all brew methods, from cold brew to espresso. For that reason, it comes with both a ground catch bin and a portafilter holding fork. It performs best in the medium to coarse grind range, perfect for French press and filter coffee. The smart grinder has a classy look with a brushed stainless finish like all Breville appliances. It has the largest hopper capacity of any coffee grinder on this list, which, when coupled with its hands-free operation, makes it suitable for grinding a lot of coffee beans at once. Number 2. Capresso Infinity Conical Burr Grinder. The Capresso Infinity is a very popular entry-level electric Burr coffee grinder. I've owned 2 in my coffee journey, and I've recommended them to friends and family. This coffee grinder is affordable, reliable, easy to use, and a huge step up from a blade coffee grinder. The Infinity uses commercial-grade conical steel burrs with a precision-cutting design that yields uniform distribution. The gear reduction motor cleverly grinds at a slower RPM than most, which results in a quieter grind, less static buildup, and a more aromatic brew. It has 16 grind settings, from fine Turkish coffee to coarse grind for cold brew. From experience, I wouldn't recommend it for an espresso coffee grinder. 16 settings isn't enough to dial in a shot. But it's perfect for the French press, offering a consistent grind in the mid-range settings. It's a nicely designed coffee grinder, available in black or silver, with an 8.8-ounce hopper and 4-ounce grounds catch bin. As much as I'd like to see a metal housing or a lid for the coffee grounds catch bin, these upgrades would inevitably lead up the price, and the affordability of the Infinity is a big part of its charm. Number 3. Hario Skerton Pro Coffee Grinder. Japanese company Hario is famous in the coffee industry for its functional, affordable, and attractive designs. 5. The beloved V60 pour-over brewer might be their top seller, but the Skerton manual grinders are just as worthy of attention. The new and improved Skerton Pro features some nice upgrades from the original Skerton that make it well worth the small jump in price. Skerton Pro uses ceramic conical burrs, and its 2.1-ounce hopper capacity and 3.5 ounces grounds container capacity are substantial for a manual coffee grinder. Unlike the stainless steel Java press, Hario Skerton Pro is primarily made from glass and plastic, so you must treat it a bit more gently. The broad silicone base is an excellent addition, allowing it to plant firmly to the counter while you grind. Hario has made the grinding handle more durable and simpler to connect to the lid with the Pro model. They've also upgraded the adjustment mechanism, so it's easier to find the perfect grind setting. Most importantly, some subtle design changes have strengthened the drive axle and reduced burr wobble. This gives more consistent grounds, especially at the coarser end of the spectrum. In the past, we've recommended against the Skerton manual grinder for French press, but no longer. Number 4. Porlex Mini Stainless Steel Coffee Grinder. The Porlex Mini is one of the tiniest grinders on the market, with a capacity suitable for just 1 or 2 cups. It's a good home manual grinder if you live alone and only brew a cup at a time, but where it shines is in its portability. Not only is the Porlex Mini very small and light, but it's also very sturdy, an equally important feature of a travel grinder. With its stainless steel body, you can easily toss it in a purse or backpack for schlepping around town or taking on a camping trip. The Porlex Mini isn't limited by its small size when it comes to grinding quality. It has a reliable grind adjustment system and yields impressively consistent coffee grinds, even when grinding coarse for a French press. The ceramic burrs are very sharp, making grinding fast and easy, and they're static-free, so you won't leave behind a chaff-y mess. Great news if you're using it at the office. Number 5. Baratza Encore Burr Coffee Grinder. For several reasons, the Baratza Encore Burr Coffee Grinder earned our top pick for the best coffee grinder for French press. First, it's an incredible value for the quality of this coffee grinder. Typically in coffee grinders, the more expensive the coffee grinder is, the better it is. Luckily, this is not the case with Encore. This Baratza grinder is perfect for home brewers who love manual brewing techniques, like French press, as it performs exceptionally well on medium to coarse settings. It has 40 grind settings, which is more than most homebrewers require, and it'll create a consistent grind for all sorts of brewing methods. It lacks the bells and whistles of some other, more expensive coffee grinders, but it doesn't need them. This coffee grinder grinds coffee consistently with minimal effort, making it a fantastic choice for laid-back mornings and French press coffee. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.